Alright, so today we're going to be exploring DocsTeach, which is an online tool for teaching with documents from the National Archives. So, with teaching with documents, what this allows you to do is explore primary source documents, discover different activities that you can use for teaching, and create fun and engaging activities for presentations, or just come up with your own activity. So first what we're going to do is explore primary source documents. As you see, we have a bunch of different eras from American history. Revolution, expansion, Civil War, industrialization, modernization, and so on. So what we're going to do an example. We're going to click on Emergence of Modern America. Wait for that to load. And right off the bat, we got a House Joint Resolution proposing a constitutional amendment that limits child labor. So we click on that. As you see, this is an official Joint Resolution House document. Now what it has right here is a mini paragraph that talks about the document just a little bit, as it was a power to regulate child labor, but it was never ratified by the states. As you see in this line right here, this primary source comes from the records of the House of Representatives. So it is a very reliable source. And what I like most about this is not only the ability to zoom in to read the document, but right here we have a download option. Download the document images as a JPEG image. This way you don't gotta worry about trying to bypass any copyright laws. Instead, you just download it and paste it onto whatever presentation you would like, whether that be PowerPoint or some other mode of presentation. And this way you don't have to worry about copying and pasting from Google. So if we go back to the home screen, we're going to look on Discover Activities you could teach with. As you see, there is a bunch of activities from a bunch of different eras. So we click on Contemporary United States. Right away we have first activity is analyzing the letter about Ford pardoning Nixon. So if you want to teach more about or learn more about why Ford pardoned Nixon in the first place, this shows you how to analyze a specific letter about Ford pardoning Nixon. So if we go back to the main page, we can also create fun and engaging activities. All you gotta do is create an account. It is free, and if there's a limit to making activities for free, don't have to worry. For especially teachers, the school could probably pay for it, so that won't have to come out of any student's money or teacher money. So if we go back to primary source documents, what we can actually do is search up documents by keyword. So let's click on it. Right away, let's click on Brown v. Board of Education. Click Search Now. So right here, we have a judgment, an opinion piece, another opinion piece, a video of Clinton talking about the decision, a complaint, a Supreme Court opinion. So if you want to write a persuasive argument about Brown v. Board of Education, I would highly recommend these opinion documents right here. Not only would that help enhance your argument, but actually allow you to make an argument through multiple perspectives. So this is a brief overlook of DocsTeach by National Archives. This is a great source, a great way to look at primary sources. It is efficient and it is effective. It's efficient because it saves time from research. It saves time from doing actual research, looking at databases for when you have to do projects but don't have the time to do the heavy research for it. And not only would this save student research time, this could save teacher planning time, because you could look at activities that you could do with students to engage the class. Or for students, if you want to make your presentation fun and engaging, you can look at one of these activities and get your whole class involved. And it's not only it's effective because you are looking at actual documents, actual reliable sources that will enhance your historical arguments that you make. So anyways, this is DocsTeach by National Archives. It's one of my favorite tools to use with historical research, and I hope that you guys all enjoy it just as much as I do.